Alright, y'all. So don't laugh at me, because I am not perfect at this game by any means, but just thought I'd show an example of how I survive the storm and still farm. I haven't seen a whole lot of these videos out there, so I thought I'd share mine. Number one, what I use, I have macros, and it really helps. So I've had my food, my little speed potion, my water, and then I have my berserk, but I'm not using berserk. I'm actually using food in that slot. So you can see I've got food, water, speed potion. So if I hit the berserk button, it's just going to, basically, it's going to open up my backpack. It's going to click on this meat right here. It's going to click use, and it's going to close it all within like a second. I have found that the goulash is very, very handy because it restores the food a lot faster than regular food. And I'll show you guys in just a second. Oh, look, we have a visitor. Haha, sorry, I already got the flowers. And I use speed potion a lot because it allows me to go somewhere really quick and get back. Alright, so I'm going to head to the north. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do my speed potion. I'm going to run over here real quick. I'm going to hit this ice. Alright, now, so watch my food as it starts to go down. Alright, so like it's at 30. I'm going to hit my goulash. And it replenished a lot faster than regular food does. And I really only do that when I'm out away from the fire. So now that I'm by the fire, I'm going to go ahead and use my regular food. I'm not real quick at clicking on my inbox and stuff, especially when I'm under pressure. So the macros really seem to help a lot. Yay, you got a horse. That's so great. I'm proud of you. I have one too, but I'm not using it. Alright, so let's see what I want to do now. Alright. I use a lot of speed potion though, that's for sure. Oh, there's a chest over there. Go ahead and kill those things. Kill that one. So now I'm going to go back, and then my next run is going to be to the chest. As soon as my speed potion recharges. That's the only bad thing about the macro, is that you can't see when something is recharged. And I've not been playing long enough. I don't have it memorized as far as which one recharges first and takes the longest and all that stuff. Yep, I'm a noob. Loud and proud. Okay, so now we're going to do it. We're going to run to this chest. I'm going to kill the wolf. Oh, Jesus. Now I got 5 gazillion things attacking me. Oh, now we got this guy on here that's going to try to get us dipping up in my loot here. Okay, goulash. Water. Water. Come on, get to the fire. Well, at least we got an Aber on video. I can't stand people like that. Like, why you want to come get all up in my chest? I done killed the damn people and monsters, and you want to come try to take the loot. Assholes. But guess what? They didn't. Haha. Uh-oh. Got my phone on the charger. They're gonna die. And then I'm really gonna die.